And that's a wrap.
We've almost got it coated. And enough of ceiling coated. And this piece is on.
Right, that's, yeah. And 3/4 of that up there is done.
You know, I really won't get this done tomorrow.
No, we'll keep it in, bud. I think we did good at it. There might be another one. We strained it all, didn't we? Alright, drone pool here. We're calling it a day. What did we get accomplished today? Got that big ceiling up there done, the second coat. We got this ceiling done, the second coat. We got this big old dining room ceiling done, the second coat. Okay, we got all the walls in the dining room. Didn't do nothing in this room. But we got all these walls first coated. Remember, these columns were blue. Got all this first coated. We got the entryway, which was dark brown. We got a coat of paint on it today. Got that wall painted. Got the loft painted. We got some high work up there done. That wall is complete. We painted that twice while we had the walkboard up there. Got over the windows painted. Now we're working on in between the windows. So tomorrow our goal is to first coat the remaining brown walls and then come back and second coat everything and get this done tomorrow, which I think is doable. So that's where we're at. Drone pool, signing out.